Lavanya, are you logged in?
Yeah, I'm in.
Oh, great. Can you turn on your video, please? Yeah, sounds good. So
Yes.
you are on the road. I mean,
Yeah. I'm in Campo and I'm in the road now.
Great, great. So, Lavanya, let me brief you for a minute on what FOMRA is all about. FOMRA represents the 150 apartment complexes on OMR. We are mostly high rises and gated communities. And we represent about 60,000 homes on OMR. And as I've already said, we are the middle classes, educated middle classes of OMR. And Tiruporur, where you're contesting from, we had the previous candidate, SS Balaji from the VCK. He was speaking to us, and he has told us what his vision for the place is. But I'd like you to start with who you are, what you are, why did you get here, why did you enter politics, and what your idea for Tiruporur is all about. Stage is yours.
Okay, thank you. First of all, thanks for this opportunity to this FOMRA association. And good evening to everyone who are all participating now. And I am Lavanya. I am basically an educator for past 10 years. I am running schools and evening classes like art classes like dance up, Silambam or full art classes. And we do have classes in all, after that Padur, Navlur, we are taking classes on Hiranandani, Pacificaram, Puravankara, and Pebble City, James in Shirley, Shamur apartments. We are, for past 8 years, we are having classes on all these apartments. So we do have a lot of parents out there. And I am a teacher trainer. I have trained more than 986 teachers in B.Ed and Montessori. Even St. John's School pre-primary principal did B.Ed on with me myself only, and Chaitanya School principal. In and around that Medavakam surrounding, that this side Palavakam end, that's Wales Vidyashram, and that side that Tambaram, what school is that? It's a famous school, like the boarding school, Tambaram or North West side in post. I touched many of school managements, and I have trained more than 986 teachers. And I do have conducted workshops for teachers. We entered nearly 32 schools, like how to be as a teacher. My thought is, if we trained one teacher means, then it's equal to training 40 kids. So if we are training a particular school for a 30 teachers we are training means, then we are training more than 500 students, that 500 younger generation of our society, that is our new Indian society. So I just want to basically my education model is, it's a culture based education I want to give. That is my motive. So on that basis I am just giving training, and in that basis before 5 years I just want to enter in a government school, because in that government school the kids are they are suffering in many ways, and even the relationship with the teachers and students, or the teachers with the parents, or the teachers with the management, or the teachers with that society, that relationship is, it's badly how to say, it's not at all a healthy way for the new generation. So I just want to start with that government school kids, and I just want to touch with the pre-primary level kids. On that basis I just went for a government school. Even the government school principal is a close friend for me, but we are not able to do a single thing for a school kids or a teacher. We have to get a lot of permissions for that. Even not only in schools, if you want to get a single letter, then we have to pay something for the government. That local governance and local government is, that time only I felt, okay, whatever we are doing, this is apart. but we need a strong base, or we need a power. So that time I actually this I won't tell that this is politics, or that or I am doing politics. I am doing service. I just started my service at my young age. Even kids, without knowing that kids will do some service and some sort of service and their currently places. So on that basis, even last 10 years, what I did, I just continuing in M&M, that is Makkal Neethi Mayyam. So I just waited for a good time. Then 2018, Kamal sir started his Makkal Neethi Mayyam party, and I just went there, and I just noted lot of things there, and there are a lot of culturally based youngsters, or well educated or well trained or well professional persons are there. So there is nothing disturb my dignity or whatever it is. So I just strongly stand my level in that time. In 2018, then I got a district secretary post for Makkal Neethi Mayyam for Sholingalur and Tirupurur, Northeast Kanjipuram Women's Wing. Then after that, I have done a lot of services in that COVID time or whatever it is. And recently, I started Bharati Yugam Foundation. That foundation main motive is we have to stop that hunger deaths. In that COVID time, there are a lot of hunger deaths were happened, and decomposed dead bodies were on the road, or in government hospitals. And main thing is students, they are not getting their schools or their education. Suiciding a student, we want to stop. So we started a Bharati Yugam Foundation, and I am the main trustee of that Bharati Yugam Foundation. And we are donating daily 100 often elderly, those who are using roads as their shelter. So we have searched them, and we are offering some more things to some trust, that those who are real trust, loyal trust, that they don't have any financial background. For that trust, we will offer some financial, will help with their bikes, vehicles, or transports, or will give some cash for their services. Like that, we are doing. And I applied for this as a candidate for this Tirupuru, and basically on my qualification is BCom B.Ed, and I am Montessori trained, and I am a special educator, and I am a soft skill trainer. And I got a lot of awards, like for a motivational award from Tamilisaii Soundarajan, that she is our current governor in Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad. Then a leadership award, service award. I got so many. And recently I got the Shining Light Award from a Go Global Singapore school. It's a business school, Go Global. It's a very big uh, how to tell, sir, it's not an association, but and it's not an company. Go Global Business School. They have recognized 8 ladies all over the world, and they choose me in Tamil Nadu, and they have given me as a Shining Light Award for contribute for on the social work and contributing in social service. So this is nice. Sorry,
Thank
I
you.
have taken much time.
No, thank you, Lavanya. You've enlightened us on who you are, where you are from, and there's one question that everybody wants to ask: why M&M? I know your answer normally is why not M&M, but I want to know honestly why you chose a party. You are a first-time politician. You are not into politics, of course. You say you've done a lot of social service, but when it comes to an ideal stepping stone for politics, people would choose an established party. Why did you choose a party that itself was in kids' gloves?
Yeah, okay. Actually, even I have never tell any single person, because I'm a straightforward person, and my father is a military man, ex-serviceman, and I I won't tell that. I won't immediately. Even if you are, if you also, if you or myself, we are not just recognized, or we can't tell a single person like he is my leader, because that leader is a word which is a word which has to be apt for a particular person. If I want to join in politics, but the politics is the main means, I would join in that period of Jayalalitha ma'am. Jayalalitha ma'am is a very big inspiration for me. But that leader, those who a person is having a full qualification, and I would definitely say that Kamal sir is a apt leader for Tamil Nadu. So that's why I choose an ML.
Great. I think that answers our question. Now let's get to specifics.
Yeah.
Your constituency is wide.
I'm not seeing a wait.
Sure.
I'm not seeing Kamal sir as an actor. I won't touch a person's personal or whatever it is. Always I will see that talent. Talent is the most thing. Even if a beggar is having some talent, means I will definitely respect that beggar. Uh, so if you are if you will talk with any economics in Indian economics, now he will touch the Indian economics. If you talk any industrialization or centrism or whatever it is, he is the topmost person, and we are not able to think that how he is thinking like that. His vision and mission is much higher. We can't how to tell. We can't explain that how he is getting that much stuff knowledge. That I just believe that he is a pakka knowledge person. So that's why I choose an M.
I understand. Thank you very much for telling us why you chose that party. Now let's get to specifics about problems that are faced by people in OMR, which is our concern.
Okay.
That's part of FOMRA,
Okay.
and a good part of the second half of OMR falls under Tirupurur. So I want to just address a few points. One is, when do you think people in OMR will get piped water and underground sewage, especially in your constituency part? Because you don't come under the GCC, Greater Chennai Corporation. You are a part of a lot of panchayats and municipalities and small governing bodies. And what is your opinion on removing the toll on OMR? And the third point being a very environmentally sensitive area with your Buckingham Canal and the Muthukadu Lake, and recent incidents of a lot of garbage and rubbish being dumped there. How do you see these 3 points? If you could address these 3 points for us, Lavanya. Thank you.
See, one second. Just a second. See, for this toll, we have to remove the toll definitely. What Mr. Balaji sir also told. We have to do that, but we have to work it on that state government, but we have to push them to remove the toll, because this is it's a residential place that doesn't need a toll. It's a really hard thing for the residents residing, those who are residing in particularly that Kelambakam, Padur, Navallur, and they are facing lot of traffics and lot of issues on that toll. And we and we'll take definitely steps to remove the toll on that particular place.
Okay, I also asked you about
and for
the
sewage system
impact.
and we are planning for a
yeah, go ahead. No, the two other questions were about sewage and water. The other two questions were about piped water and underground sewage. And the other one is about the environmental impact of throwing garbage in Tirupurur, especially into Buckingham Canal and Muthukadu.
Yeah, for sewage and wastewater, that we have to plan for a wastewater management in a what? இல்ல அது software இதுல actually for that sewage water and yeah, பாதாள சாக்கடை திட்டம் தான். அத நம்ம வந்துட்டு டெக்னாலஜிக்கல் லெவல்ல நம்ம அதை ரிமூவ் பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு இது சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? Sir, sorry sir, currently I can't get that word.
That's fine. That's fine. If you can elaborate on whatever you can remember.
Yeah, but my plan is that people are issuing a more problem in sewage water for that high-rise buildings, and wastewater management and rainwater harvesting is also a very big problem for that. We want to handle all the problems in technological level, because after this all the apartments are a fully completed project. Hereafter we can't go and do a new thing, but we have to plan in a technical level, and we'll sort out the issues in a technical level. And there are a lot of things are there we will do, and we are working on it.
Okay. Yeah, I get the point. You're going to use technology to solve these problems, and I believe you are going to bank on the technical knowledge in your team.
Technical level,
Yeah. Okay. Personally, you may not be into the technology,
actually,
but I'm sure you have a good team.
I'm having that plan. No. I'm having that plan. I will once after this meeting, I will just share it to you. In what methodology we are going to sort out all these issues, and what are all issues facing day by day issues is also that we are sorting issues in three. Actually, my strategy is I am taking the issues in three types: day-to-day issues, and long-time issues, and short-time issues. And which one is step by step, like initial issues, the normal issues. What are all the things we have to be sort out immediately? So first, second, third, we have a list on that. I will share it to you.
Yeah, I have seen your documents. They are quite detailed on that. I will share it in the community. But remember, the technology is just an enabler. We need concrete plans, and without plans, there's nothing we can achieve.
Yes.
Let me get to another point that I want to ask all the candidates. In the event of you not getting elected, if you are not elected to become the MLA, what will Lavanya do from the next day? Is she going to go back to her teaching and business and things like that, or are you going to continue your service in engaging with the people of Tirupur?
Yeah, the second one is mine always. See, this is also my part of life. Yes, right. Correct, right. This is also my responsibility. I can't left my responsibility. I can't come back my responsibility, right? So my service will continue, whatever the result will come.
So we hope to see you more on the street.
I'm not bothering about the result. Yeah, no. I'm not bothering about the result, because this last 15 days we have traveled a lot. I know all this Tirupurur, Kelambakam, Padur, Nadu, but in-depth villages in Tirukalupundram and another Tirupurur, then Kelambakam or fisherman's places. Now, the people doesn't have a basic needs.
So before we let you go, Lavanya, I just want you to mention when we go to vote in Tirupurur, what is the name, what is the party, what is the symbol, and what serial number are you in the ballot paper?
Yeah, I request you all to choose for Makkal Neethi Mayyam Katchi symbol torchlight. Torchlight is our symbol, and our number is 6. So you can vote. You can vote on number 6 and press that button for torchlight. The song konjam off panna solunga. One second. So torchlight is our symbol. Sorry, I'm in travel. Sorry. Torchlight is symbol. I request everyone to vote for us, because Tamil Nadu have to be reimagined and Tirupurur has to be reimagined, and we have to choose a honest or loyal or a good party. So I request everyone to vote for us, support us, and be with us. And hello.
Yeah, we wish you all the
Hello.
best, Lavanya. I know you're on the campaign trail. I can hear the songs playing in the background. All the best, and hope to see you
Yes, yes.
on the 2nd of May when the results are out. Thank you very much.
Okay. Yeah. Just a second. Actually, I'm a normal person. Before a month or before a year, I'm a normal housewife, but I'm a straightforward person. I just want to fight for everything because we are paying tax for each and everything, like road tax, water tax, whatever. If you are stepping out from your home, we are started paying tax for everything. But I'm not satisfied that paying tax and getting anything, even 20% from the government. Now Tamil Nadu is in 6 lakh crore credit. Where our tax amounts are there. So I just want to fight for everything, and I stepped out for my kids and for younger generation. So please, this please everyone just think about the Tamil Nadu. எப்படி சொல்றது? தமிழ்நாடு சுகாதாரம் இல்ல
தமிழ்லயே சொல்லலாம்.
தமிழ்நாடு இல்ல அதாவது ஒரு தமிழ்நாட்டுல இந்த சுற்றுப்புற சூழல்னு ஒண்ணு இருக்கு இல்லையா, என்விரான்மெண்ட், சாரி, yeah, I just want to fight for Tamil Nadu's environment, Tamil Nadu's education, free education and water management and solar light systems. So there are a lot of things we have to bring it out. So this is the reason why I just came into this. So I just want you to support from all your backends and from all your families, friends, relatives, and your neighbors. Please support us and give an opportunity. First, please give an opportunity. Then only you can tell whether we are worth it or not. Please give an opportunity, and we will definitely do a good job. And will get back to you as a good person, not as a political person. So I am request everyone to please vote for us. And thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thanks, Lavanya. Thanks. All the best.